From the icy plains of the Arctic to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, every habitat on Earth faces its own unique challenges. Even the very walls of our homes, however comforting they may seem, can become battlegrounds in the fight for survival. Did you know that a single pair of mice can produce up to 200 offspring in just 1 year? Imagine the chaos that could cause in your home. But fear not, for nature itself provides a wealth of solutions. In this video, you'll discover effective and natural solutions to eliminate mice from your living space for good. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of natural pest control, uncovering the secrets to a mouse-free home without resorting to harmful chemicals. In the animal kingdom, scent is everything. For mice, with their keen sense of smell, certain aromas can be incredibly off-putting. Take essential oils, for instance. These potent extracts, derived from plants like eucalyptus and lavender, possess strong scents that mice find repulsive. Imagine the refreshing aroma of eucalyptus filling the air, invigorating to us yet wholly unpleasant to a mouse's sensitive nose. But how do we harness the power of these fragrant allies? The key lies in strategic application. A few drops of essential oil on cotton balls, placed near known entry points or areas of mouse activity, can create an invisible barrier. For a more potent solution, consider mixing a few drops of essential oil with water in a spray bottle. This allows for wider coverage, particularly in hard-to-reach areas. Regular spraying, especially after cleaning, can help maintain a scent-based defense system around your home. Remember, consistency is key. Mice are persistent creatures, and the effectiveness of essential oils wanes over time. Regular reapplication is crucial to ensure a constant deterrent. Our journey into the realm of natural mouse deterrents leads us to the invigorating scent of peppermint. This familiar herb, often associated with refreshing treats and soothing teas, possesses a hidden talent, sending mice scurrying away. The secret lies in peppermint's active ingredient, menthol. This compound overwhelms a mouse's olfactory system. Peppermint oil, available at health food stores, is our weapon of choice. Apply drops to cotton balls and place near entry points, or create a peppermint spray by mixing water and peppermint oil. Regularly refresh your deterrents to maintain a potent aroma. In the wild, survival hinges on the ability to locate sustenance. Mice, with their opportunistic nature, are masters at exploiting readily available food sources. Our homes, often unknowingly, can become veritable buffets for these resourceful rodents. But we can outsmart these miniature foragers by understanding their motivations. Mice aren't inherently drawn to filth, but rather to the promise of an easy meal. By eliminating access to food scraps, crumbs, and spills, we remove the very incentive for them to invade our living spaces. Diligent cleaning practices, therefore, become our most potent weapon. Regular sweeping and vacuuming, particularly in areas where food is prepared or consumed, eliminate the tiny treasures that mice find irresistible. Pay close attention to areas beneath appliances where crumbs and spills often accumulate unnoticed. Proper food storage is paramount. Invest in airtight containers for storing grains, cereals, and other dry goods. Avoid leaving fruits and vegetables exposed on countertops. Instead, store them in the refrigerator or in sealed containers. Garbage bins, often a goldmine for scavenging rodents, require special attention. Ensure bins have tight-fitting lids and are regularly emptied to prevent enticing aromas from attracting unwanted guests. Imagine a medieval fortress, its towering walls and formidable gates designed to repel invaders. Our homes, while perhaps less grand, require a similar approach when it comes to keeping mice at bay. Sealing entry points, those seemingly insignificant gaps and cracks that mice exploit, is crucial in our defense strategy. Mice, with their remarkable ability to squeeze through spaces as small as a dime, possess an uncanny knack for finding weaknesses in our defenses. Start by conducting a thorough inspection of your home's exterior. Pay close attention to areas where pipes and wires enter the structure, as these often provide easy access for mice. Look for gaps around windows and doors, even those that appear minuscule to our eyes. Once identified, these breaches must be sealed with unwavering resolve. Steel wool, with its dense and abrasive nature, serves as an excellent deterrent. Stuffing gaps and cracks with steel wool creates a formidable barrier that mice find nearly impossible to penetrate. Caulking, a flexible sealant readily available at most hardware stores, provides another effective solution. Apply caulk generously around window and door frames, filling any gaps or cracks that could serve as entry points. In the intricate web of life, every creature plays a role, a delicate balance of predator and prey. Mice, for all their ingenuity, are not exempt from this ancient dance. By inviting nature's own pest control experts into our lives, we can harness this natural order to our advantage. Cats, those enigmatic feline companions, possess an innate hunting instinct that has been honed over millennia. Their very presence in our homes can serve as a powerful deterrent, a constant reminder to mice that they are not the apex predators in this domain. Encouraging cats to embrace their inner mousers can be as simple as providing them with ample opportunities to exercise their hunting skills. Toys that mimic the movements of prey, such as feather wands or toy mice, can help keep their instincts sharp. Certain birds, particularly owls, are renowned for their voracious appetites for rodents. Providing nesting boxes and perches for these feathered friends can encourage them to take up residence in your yard. Remember, by embracing nature's own solutions, we restore balance to our surroundings. Our journey through natural mouse control leads us to humane trapping and release. Simple yet effective homemade traps offer a compassionate alternative to snap traps. One method involves a bucket, a ruler, and peanut butter. Balance the ruler across the bucket with peanut butter on the end. Mice, lured by the aroma, will fall into the bucket. Another trap uses a cardboard tube as a ramp. Place a treat at the bottom to lure the mice. Relocate captured mice far from home. Our exploration of natural mouse deterrents concludes with a fascinating technological innovation: ultrasonic repellents. These devices, harnessing the power of sound waves beyond the range of human hearing, offer a discreet yet effective method for discouraging mice from taking up residence in our homes. Ultrasonic repellents emit high-frequency sound waves that create an uncomfortable environment for these rodents, prompting them to seek more hospitable surroundings. These devices, typically plugged into standard electrical outlets, emit sound waves that penetrate walls and furniture, creating a sonic barrier that mice find intolerable. The beauty of this method lies in its subtlety. We remain blissfully unaware of the ultrasonic symphony unfolding around us, while mice receive a clear message that our homes are off limits. Placement is key to maximizing the effectiveness of ultrasonic repellents. Strategically position these devices in areas where mice are most likely to enter or congregate, such as basements, attics, and kitchens. Multiple devices may be necessary for larger homes or severe infestations. For optimal results, consider combining ultrasonic repellents with other natural deterrents. As technology continues to advance, so too will our options for humane and effective pest control. As we conclude our exploration of natural mouse control, remember that our homes are not isolated fortresses, but rather interconnected ecosystems within the larger tapestry of life. By understanding the motivations and behaviors of our unwelcome guests, we can develop strategies that are both effective and compassionate. To wrap up, you'll have learned practical strategies to keep mice at bay without harmful chemicals, ensuring a safer living environment. From the fragrant deterrents of essential oils to the subtle power of ultrasonic repellents, nature itself provides a wealth of solutions for maintaining a harmonious balance within our homes. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out our next video on home pest control and leave a comment sharing your experiences.